Hi guys, today we're going to work on page 113, demonstratives. Okay, in the presentation you have some examples, you have a video. Then we're going to work on page 114, exercise F1, we're not going to do, okay? Exercise F2, yes. You are going to answer this exercise in your notebook and exercise B, okay? And we're going to work on page 115. So we have writing. You are going to write a description of a photo, okay? And you are going to complete this exercise, and that's it for today, okay? Remember, if you have any questions, send me an email, okay? So goodbye.